Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover union. Let's begin. In this program, I am going to cover basics of union. We can use union type for sharing memory. I have created union, U-person, with members as integer age, float weight, and double height. I have created structure, S-person, with similar members. I am displaying the size of union members, in union, using size of function. Size of union is size of maximum member that is memory is shared between members. I am displaying the size of structure members, and structure, using size of function. Size of structure is sum of size of individual member that is memory is not shared between members. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C++ program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.